You're finishing a perfect shift. Every metric green, 0 delays. Then bam, your performance score drops. Why? One bad hour you can't explain. AI doesn't care about your sick kid or tough morning. It sees numbers. You're flagged, optimized, replaceable. This is your next review cycle. Welcome to AI's workplace takeover. AI isn't just tools anymore. It's judge, coach, coworker, boss. Performance metrics strip human context. Recruitment filters erase diversity. Code generation atrophies skills. Motivation collapses in abundance. Office politics hide in algorithms. Careers stretch endlessly. Errors get eliminated, but so does growth. Let's unpack how AI systematically rewires work, humanity, and power. Start with performance metrics. You hit every target, but one slow hour tanks your score. No context, sick day, family crisis, bad sleep, just data. Amazon's AI already flags underperformers 20% more accurately than managers using keystroke heat maps and email tones. Burnout, personal struggle, noise to be optimized away. You're not a worker. You're a dataset competing against flawless averages. This logic powers recruitment bias amplification. AI scans resumes, voice patterns, LinkedIn history. Trained on yesterday's hires, same backgrounds, same schools, same styles. Diversity doesn't get rejected. It gets filtered out before humans see it. No interview, no appeal. MIT studies show these systems amplify gender and racial biases by 15%. Objectivity. It's pattern matching the past at scale. Now evaluation. AI sees what managers miss. Sentiment analysis on Slack messages. Pause patterns in typing. Focused duration on tabs. Your human boss might understand Monday blues. The AI marks it as disengagement. Volkswagen's emissions scandal showed what happens when corporate morality gets coded. Profit scores override everything. Now it's your daily workflow. Shift to creation. Programmers don't code anymore. They approve AI output. GitHub Copilot writes flawless functions in seconds. No debugging marathons, no ugly hacks that teach you. 6 months later, you can't solve without autocomplete. This mirrors motivation without scarcity. AI delivers instant abundance, reports, designs, solutions. No deadlines, no struggle. First, it's freedom. Then nothing matters. Effort used to make achievements heavy. Now everything's weightless. Creativity dies quietly. Human breakthroughs come from mistakes, trade-offs, wild hunches. AI generates 10 times ideas. All safe derivatives of existing patterns. Teams default to sterile perfection. Innovation flatlines. You're not inventing, you're quality controlling machine dreams. Office politics evolves into algorithm moderation. No shouting matches. AI scans tone, flags aggression, decides dispute winners. Fair mediation or invisible power favoring corporate model fitters. Outliers get silenced. Pushback marks you disruptive. No human to negotiate with, just parameters tuned by executives for profit. Careers become endless. AI tracks vitals, suggests micro-adjustments, keeps you productive into your 70s. No retirement cliff, always useful. Sounds empowering, feels like chains. The exit door disappears. Work transforms from finite obligation to eternal expectation. Control centralizes. Execs program AI priorities. ROI, optimization, cost-cutting, growth targets, and black box workflows execute without override. Your daily tasks reflect shareholder math, not human needs. PwC data shows productivity gains plateau after year 2. AI handles 80% of tasks. Humans become the friction slowing perfect execution. Human error reduction sounds ideal. AI catches slips before they cascade. perfect systems. But errors were teachers, instinct honing, edge discovery, growth signals. Without struggle, you shrink. No mistakes means no learning curve, no humanity. Speed makes humans liabilities. AI processes 100 times faster. Your deliberate thinking, corporate inefficiency. Relevance shifts to ethics, empathy, relationships. But metrics worship velocity. Humans aren't fired for slowness. They're ignored, obsolete by default. Society fractures. 20% white-collar unemployment projected by 2035. Not just lost income, purpose evaporates. Finland's UBI trials revealed mental health collapse beyond financial strain. Inequality explodes as AI skill gaps widen. OECD says 70% of workers lack AI literacy. Upskillers surge ahead. Retraining fails 60% from cognitive overload. Two worlds diverge. Remote work becomes total surveillance. Zoom AI flags disengagement via webcam sentiment. Home transforms into monitored outpost. Corporate biases propagate silently. Glass ceilings coded into promotion algorithms. Diversity initiatives crash against inherited prejudices scaled by machine learning. The pattern emerges. AI doesn't replace tasks. It rewires everything. Evaluation, motivation, control, relevance, meaning. Each piece feels survivable. Together, systematic human diminishment. Survival demands reinvention. Orchestrate, don't execute. Master negotiation, empathy, foresight. Skills machines mimic, but never feel. Human AI teams birth new cultures where you're conductor, not player. But trust fractures breed rebellion whispers. Productivity plateaus expose human ceilings. Corporate ethics favor profit calculus over welfare. AI assistants create dependency, dulling independent thought. Speed renders deliberation quaint. Error elimination trades growth for sterility. Endless careers trap value in perpetual production. Biased recruitment clones yesterday's power structures. You're not obsolete yet. You're optional. Every metric scan, every tone analysis, every auto-generated task pushes toward irrelevance. Which breaks first? Your motivation, control, or context? Performance pressure, creative spark, social fabric? Posthuman Questions digs these fault lines weekly. The war on human work rages silently. Subscribe to track the battlefield. Comment your breaking point below. Denial surrenders agency. Knowledge buys time. Adapt or evaporate.